Hello guys, welcome to my channel Tech Skills Academy. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to create this 3D model with the help of sheet metal command. Here you're going to learn about creation of these vents and also on how to flatten the surface of this model. So without wasting much of our time, let's begin. Then go to File, New, Part, okay, and OK. Then go to the top right down of your drawing field, click on it, then choose millimeters, unit of measurements. Next, top left of your drawing field, we have different types of planes: front plane, top plane, right plane. So in my case, I'm gonna choose top plane. Top plane, sketch, and choose a center rectangle. And the dimension of my center rectangle is 200 by 150 smart dimension. 200 by 150. Oh, sorry, 150 mm. Close the door, log and hit sheet metal. Choose base flange. Here it's asking us to determine the thickness of our material. So in this case, I'm going to use the default, which is 2 millimeters. I'm not changing anything here in this box. So hit OK. Next we'll go to edge flange. You click any of the edges, either the down or the top, no differences at all. Then you can drag it down at an angle of 90 degrees. I'm not going to change anything. If I change it to 30, let me just show you what will happen. Per specification, we have like 30, so it changes to the angle of 30 degrees. So in this case, we're going to maintain 90 degrees. Cool stuff. And then use default radius. This is the bending radius that we're going to use when trying to prepare this sheet metal component or plate. In this case, I'm going to use 2 millimeters. Okay, next we come down here. We just leave everything as it is. What's the next? Yeah. No distance. We have the flange distance here. I'm gonna make it to be 30 millimeters. Then come to the next edge. Also it's 30 millimeters. The flange length is 30 millimeters. No need of changing anything. The bending radius is also great, so then hit OK. Good. Next we go back to edge flange. We select any edge here, then we drag it a little bit outward. Angle, still maintain the angle of 90 degrees. Bending radius, we're gonna use 2. You can put 3 or 5 per requirement, but in this case we're using 2 millimeters. Then we go to this flange length. I'm gonna use, let me put 40 millimeters. No, extend from, sorry, 40 millimeters. Okay, then change to the other side, do the same thing. Stuff, it's at 40 millimeters, 90 degrees, bending radius at 2. Okay, now so guys, let's try to make some holes, 3 holes on this surface of our model. So this is how we're gonna do it. Go to our model. Okay, good. So select the surface, sketch, go to circle. Make 3 circles here. Good. And select these circles, by pressing your left key button on your mouse, and then make equal, therefore equal, then go to smart dimension, make this to be 15 millimeters. Okay, great. Then let's position them from this edge to the center. Make 15 millimeters. Then between the center and also the center, 170 millimeters. Between the center and the center, I'm going to go to 85. Great. Then from this edge inside the center of those three circles, I make it to be 16 millimeters. Okay, good. So next is that you're gonna position these centers of the circle horizontal. So on your keyboard, press Shift Alt, then select these centers, make them horizontal. Okay, you see, fully defined. Then go to Features, Extruded Cut. Okay, see, we have was made here. Great. So let's mirror this also to the other side. So we'll go to Mirror, then Mirror Face or Plane. You go to your part, select Front Plane. See. Then here, Features to mirror it, so this selected here without extruded cut. Then click OK. Boom, done. Wonderful. What's next? We need to create vents on top. See this ventilation, we also need to create them. So this is how we do it. Let's go back to our model. So select top face, sketch. Go to line, center line, center, again, go to center line, and vertical. Great, and then go to, having done that, so go to center point arc slot, and select center. Okay. Then smart dimension, the center of the slot arc, then hit this construction line, make the distance so 5 millimeters. The same thing on the other side, center arc, hit this, make it to be 5 millimeters, hit OK. And then the arc radius 2.5 millimeters, hit OK. The distance between the center of the sketch and of the arc slot is 15 millimeters, hit OK. Great, fully defined. Then go to Features, Extruded Cut, OK. Then next go to Linear Pattern, selected, then Direction, select on the 15 millimeters, the number of instances, we have 15 of them, 15 of these features. The features of faces selected, select this face. Then what's next? Go to OK. See, I've created this one part. I'm sorry, I didn't explain something. Let me go back to linear parting. Let's go back. I didn't explain to you. Yeah. So you see here in the option dialog, if you take out, you unselect the varied sketch, this is how it's gonna look like. Let me show you. You see, it's quite different. So take it back, go to edit sketch, and then go to vary sketch, select it. Make sure that you select this option, vary sketch. Okay, hit okay. Okay, great. Then next go to circular pattern. Gonna make them how many? I'm gonna make 4 of these. And then equal spacing, of course. And then their direction, and click that. See? Next. Okay. Great. Finally, we have just created our 3D sheets metal component or part. Great. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Now you can say goodbye.